Hello lovelies, you're welcome to MJC Creativity. Trust we are all doing well. So the project before us this afternoon is how to make feathers fascinator. So we have materials ready. That's our list band. This is art wire, the hard one. I used like 12 to 13 inches of the wire, and I have 3 pieces of that. Then this is my feather. I've already coiled the feather. So if you don't know how to coil the feather, you can check our video. We have done video on that. You can check our channel and see the video on how to coil your feather, the duck feather. So this is trimming. This is quarter inch trimming, the shining one, quarter inch trimming. And we have our UHU gum. You can also use your candle gum. So let's start the project. Now you apply your UHU gum to the heart wire, not too much. So just watch closely what I'll be doing from now. You see how I'm wrapping. I am wrapping the trimming around the wire after applying my gum. So after wrapping it for like maybe half to 1 inch, you apply gum to the trimming. Apply gum to the trimming. Then you now pick your feather. Make sure you pick nice feathers, pick your feather one after the other. Just watch closely what I am doing. Here. Apply gum again. We are applying gum so that the feather can glue to the trimming and to the wire. So put your feather again. So on that row I have like 5 feathers on that line, on that row. So you do it carefully and neatly. I have like 4 or 5. I think it's 4. I have 4 feathers on that row. I added 1 more. So just watch closely. So after you're done with 1 row, you wrap your wire down a bit, like ½ inch. Wrap it down a bit. You see how it is coming. Okay, just trying to adjust it there. So wrap your wire down, wrap the tip of the feather down, then apply your gum again and do the same thing that you did at the first row. You put your feather, wrap a bit, apply gum, put feather. So that's what you continue doing. Just continue watching what I am doing. I try to do this detailed video so that you will not miss anything. It's well explanatory. It's something that can lay our hands on without anybody beside us. The video is well explanatory. So you continue to pick as your mind is loving it, as your heart is thinking it. So pick, apply your gum to the trimming, put your feather. So at this point, if you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel and like our work. You can comment and give us thumbs up. You can also share this video for the sake of people that will love to know how to do something like this. It's free of charge and it's something that can fetch us good amount of money. It's a good side hustle that we don't need to go to anywhere or have one big instrument to do. We have watched the video on how I coil the feather. You can see that you can use your available to coil the feather. It's not necessary you get the coiling machine. You can use your scissors to coil the feather and you make your money. So please, if you are here to subscribe, kindly subscribe to our channel, like our videos, comment and share, and you can also give us a super thanks. It's just for small amount of money. It's not compulsory, but if you feel like doing so do well to support us with that, to support this channel with that. Okay, so we continue the work. You can see it's coming out beautifully well. So what you'll be doing is apply your gum, put your feather, wrap, apply your gum, put your feather, wrap, wrap down before you go. That's all what you'll be doing going forward. So you can see it's looking so pretty, it's coming out so well, it's looking so beautiful. So that's what we'll continue doing until we get to. So what I want to do in this is I will do up and down. So do it today. So once I'm almost done with this one now, I've applied my gum. Then I'll cut off the excess trimmings and gum that part. So just watch what I am doing here. You just gum it. So the next thing to do now is, you can see that part. So the next thing to do now is you turn it to the other side, the downside. Let's call it the downside, and do the same thing as you have done to the first side. Just do the same thing to it. Apply your gum to the wire, put your trimming, wrap it around the wire, wrap your trimming around the wire, wrap it for like 1/2 inch. Then you apply your gum and start putting your feathers. Apply gum and start putting your feathers. The same thing that we did to the upper part, or the first part that we did, is the same thing that you do. Also make sure that you are picking healthy looking feathers, especially for the first part. For the first part, picking nice feathers, nicely coiled feathers for that part. So once again, if you are here to subscribe to our channel, please do well to subscribe, to hit like, comment and share our videos with others, so that we can all learn together. It's free of charge, you are not paying anything, so please do well to do that. So I use 4 feathers for that top. Then you continue to wrap and put your feathers as you go. Wrap it, put your feathers as you go. Make sure you do it neatly. Don't allow gum to stain your work anyhow. Don't allow gum to stain it. You can see how beautiful it is coming out. So that's what you will do to almost the about to meet the other one. You just leave little allowance, little space at the middle for us to be able to do the finishing work. But that little space, you have to wrap all the wire with trimmings, just that you will not make the feathers to fool everything. The feathers will not fool everything like I am doing. Once again, thank you for watching our videos. Please try and practice, and you can send us a picture of what you have done. Thank you for watching.